Good morning, children. How are you all? Today, I'll close this chapter. Up to now, we have completed many problems related to areas and perimeter for regular shapes. Previously, just yesterday I told you now, finding area of irregular shapes by using square boxes. Finding area of irregular shapes by using square boxes. That is why previously I informed you for today's class everybody should be ready with your graph book. I think most of you know how it is. Graph book, it doesn't mean that it has a completely boxes. Am I right? In that 1 centimeter boxes, small small boxes like this. Okay. That 1 centimeter box should be considered as one square box. Okay. So it can be, you can apply in your daily life. For example, now let me explain one problem. What is this? Mensuration, na? Okay, area of irregular shapes. Area of irregular shapes. Okay, Nana? So, see that textbook page number 215, example 10. Example 10. Okay. There is a find area of the shape shown in the figure 10.10. See, actually, directly I'll go to the problem only. Just draw some boxes. All the boxes must be in a similar size. Okay. How many boxes here given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Here vertical, horizontal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Leave about. This is the shape of graph sheet. Okay. Here there is a diagram is given where it is. Look at here. Look this. Okay. Like this and like this. Okay. Okay. Children, did you identify that? For understanding, I have drawn all these lines with the dark line. For understanding, I will give small curve like this. See, this is the shape. Did you all find it now? Is it clear right now, all of you? See, this is the shape. Actually, this is the shape given like this. Okay. Like this. Clear, children? Okay. If you draw the picture like this, this is the picture, original picture it is. Okay. Now, if you remove like this, yeah, this is the shape. Now we need to find the area of this shape here. For that, every problem should be divided into square boxes. Fully square occupied square boxes and half occupied square boxes and more than half occupied square boxes. Less than half means you need not consider. Okay, are you clear, children? Fully completely occupied boxes, half occupied boxes and more than half occupied boxes, you need to count all those boxes. Okay. Now area of this here, you can write its solution here. I will write fully occupied boxes. How many are there? 1, 2, 3. Am I right? 1, 2, 3. Very good. Half occupied boxes. Half occupied box means how many are there? This is half, okay, and this is half. It is not occupied here. This is half box, na? This is a half box. Am I right? Am I right, children? Is there any other half box is there here? It is not occupied. This is half and this is half and these three full. Half occupied boxes 2. Am I right? Now area of the figure. Figure is equal to fully occupied boxes into 1 unit, am I right? Plus half occupied boxes into half, am I right? That implies this is 3 plus 2 into half 1. That implies 4 unit square. Is it 1 centimeter square centimeter? Therefore, this area is 4 centimeters square. Okay, clear, children? Clear? One thing, just see the observe the diagram clearly, and now make it, count it. How many full boxes occupied by the figure, and how many half boxes occupied by the figure, and how many more than half. Here more than half there is no question. And less than half also no question here, because directly it is given. Okay, for simple understanding it is given. Next later we will go for some difficult sums. But one thing, you must calculate the full boxes. Fully occupied boxes 3, half occupied boxes 2, and area of the figure fully occupied boxes is nothing but 1 square boxes. This is half square boxes. So 3 plus 1, 4 centimeter square. Therefore, the area of the figure is 4 centimeter square. Got it, all of you? Now take a graph notebook and do this problem in your graph. Okay? Write it, all of you. Children, actually this one completed now. Second sum in this only you can do that. Another problem, the same diagram here it is given up to like this. Actually I have seen wrong diagram here. Okay, let it be. That one problem, and this now it is second problem. Okay, and one more half box added na? One more half box added means now again 3, again 1.5, again 4.5. This is 11th question. Okay, okay children, this one you can do it later on, not right now. See, actually textbook diagram first we have drawn like this, but now in this question actually given like this. Okay, this is. So again half box added, that's all. Here are only half box added. That half box you can add it, again you will get 4.5 centimeters. Clear children? Okay. Now I am going to erase this. This one you can do it in your graph book. Okay. Now next question, example 11. Previous question, that is 10a. Okay, look at me here. One actually is you can 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Children, diagram may not come properly. Okay, one, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, given 8. Let it be. Okay. Here the diagram is given. It is a rough diagram only, but you people you need not copy the same diagram. Whatever diagram you got it in your graph book, for that only you need to find area. Okay. Here I have started there where it is approximately, yeah. Yeah, this is approximately. You need not worry. Okay. And answer is also you need not compare with your textbook answer. Okay. And with you need not compare with my answer also. As per your answer, you have to, as per your diagram, you will get the picture. Okay. Now here actually we need to come first area of this figure. First, fully occupied boxes. Fully occupied boxes. Fully occupied boxes. How many fully occupied boxes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Am I right? Fully occupied boxes are 14 are there. That's good. And see, more than half. Half occupied boxes. Half occupied boxes. Sorry. How many half occupied boxes? Approximately. See, this is this half, this half. This is half. And we can consider as for our convenience, I am just changing the diagram here. Look here. This is half and this is half. So two boxes are half boxes. And more than half. More than half boxes. More than half boxes. See. This is more than half. This is more than half. 1, 2, and this box is more than half. 3, and where it is? Here more than half. 4, and this is also more than half. 5. Okay. Okay. Yes, approximately 5 more than half. Now, if you consider this is also we can consider as half, and this is also we can consider as half. So we can add total. One thing, children, you need not bother about your textbook answer. Whatever the shape you have drawn on your graph sheet, for that only you need to calculate. Okay. Now, once again, I will repeat that. How many fully occupied boxes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 fully boxes and half boxes. 1. This is also considered as half. 2. This is also considered as 3. This is 4. Okay, and if you this is less than half, leave it. And more than half. More than half means this is more than half. And this is more than half. 3, 2, 3, 4, and this is 5. Now calculate area of the figure. Area of the figure is equal to, more than half also should be considered 1 square unit boxes, and complete boxes must be 1 square unit boxes. That is why 14 into 1 plus 5 into half, sorry, this 4 into half plus 5 into 1. Okay, am I right? This is half boxes, means half centimeter square. Now this is 14 plus 4 into half 2 plus 5 into 1 5. That implies 21 centimeter square. 21 square centimeters. Got it, children? Clear? Like this. For example, if you are able to draw the same picture, you can get this answer. Or else otherwise, the picture is different, because I got textbook answer is different now. Textbook answer is 19 and a half. We got 21 now. Because the shape, because why it is different? The drawn picture, the shape of the drawn picture is different. You don't worry, you need not worry. But the thing is only you need to calculate half boxes, more than half boxes, and full completely boxes. One thing you must keep in your mind: less than half boxes you need not be considered. Clear? Now write it all. One thing I am telling you, you need not draw the same picture. You may not get, or you might get, or you may not get. Whatever the diagram you have drawn on your graph shape, for that only you need to calculate area. But the procedure is in this method. Okay? Write it. Now let me draw one more diagram, children. Let me draw one diagram. Here okay, actually boxes are small, it will help you lot. Okay, just here I am, as it is board, I am drawing. But one thing, every box should be same size. Here small boxes we got it, but it should not be like that. Graph sheet, it's uniform to everybody, there is no problem. But in this practically, when you are drawing outside, then only the problem. Okay. Okay. Now hear me. Here see, what is this picture, children? What is this picture? Can you identify this picture? Huh? See this. This is a leaf. This is a leaf. Find the area of this leaf. Find the area of this leaf. Clear, children? Now, solution. Number of full boxes. Full boxes, how many are there? Full boxes? 1, 2. Okay. 1, 2. Fully, it is not partial only. 1, 2. Approximately. Okay. 2 boxes are there. Completely boxes 2. Half boxes. Number of half boxes. Approximately half means, see, this one we can consider the half. 1 and approximately this one we can consider the half. 1. This is 1 and this is, I'll write half. Okay. Okay. 1, 1. Total how many boxes are there? 2 boxes. More than half. Number of more than half boxes. Number of more than half boxes. Okay, children. See, this is 1 and this is 2 and this is 3. Okay, more than half. 3 boxes. Am I right? Now, therefore, area of the leaf. Leaf is equal to 2 into 1 plus this is half 2 into 1 by 2 plus this is more than half 3 into 1. That implies this is 2, this is 1, this is 3. That implies 6 centimeters square . One thing, Nana, it is not exact area. Always it should be an approximate value. So you must write previous 2 sums. I forget to write approximately. Clear? So did you all got it, children? That's good. Write this. One thing, there is an experiment. I'll tell you on that particular day. Okay. Now write this, all of you.